Hi, this is Sam. He wants to launch a company but lacks the knowledge necessary to accomplish it. I'm offering these 10 suggestions for starting your own business for that reason. First and foremost, follow your passion. An entrepreneur's enthusiasm, which stems from their love of what they do, is what fuels them most. You must be sure you enjoy what you're doing before beginning your own business, because it will take a lot of time and effort to launch and grow the venture. The second tip is to always have cash on hand. Begin while you are still working. Understanding that earnings won't start rolling in right away is important when beginning your own business. Having a job while beginning your own business will assist you in having enough money to get through the startup phase. The third tip is that you need a team. Teamwork is a tremendous asset. When starting your own firm, you will always require some sort of assistance. You might need to look for a mentor who will always lead the way and offer priceless counsels. Another option is to sign up with a consulting company that is interested enough to realize that you are just starting out. Fourth advice: make contacts and acquire some clients. Before acquiring clients or consumers or creating the essential network around your firm, you shouldn't wait till it is formally launched. You may be somewhat sure that you are building a business with the market if you do this. Write it down and make a plan is the fifth tip. A company plan must be written carefully. It aids in your comprehension and research of your fresh business concept. With the aid of a strong business plan, you can distinguish between reality and expectations. Do your research is the sixth tip. Writing a business plan requires you to be prepared to conduct extensive research, including reading several books, asking questions, and browsing the internet. You should be well versed in your industry, competitors, consumer behavior, market risks, and possibilities before beginning your own business. Get expert assistance, the seventh piece of advice. You are not required to be an industry specialist in every area of your firm. When starting your own business, you may need to multitask yourself, but you will also need to use certain professional services. The eighth tip is to increase your cash reserve. A crucial component of your company's success is financing. When starting your own business, you can either save money or seek out possible lenders and investors. You need to be open to trying out various capital raising strategies. Typically, established lenders are wary of novel concepts. They run a great deal of risk as a result. Companies with a track record of success. The ninth tip is to act professionally from the moment the whistle is blown. Your company should present itself professionally right away. Obtaining all the necessary materials, such as a business card. If you can, get a website, get a business email address, and handle clients with the utmost professionalism. 10th and last tip: strengthen your legal foundation. Getting your company fully compliant with all applicable rules might prevent you from having to deal with many problems and financial difficulties down the road. Does your company require registration? Do your employees require a legal framework? How are your tax problems going? To obtain the appropriate knowledge and create your legal framework, you can speak with a legal expert.